We're back at Fiddlehead with,
Mark Stein,
And Arlene Volkansky.
now Mark, you've written a book, what is it called?
how
About
the states got their shapes.
how the states got their shape. So I'm always intrigued by borders and why they are shaped as such. Why is Idaho shaped the way it is, almost like a boomerang?
Right. I'll try to give the shorter answer to it. A big piece of Idaho has to do with Montana, one of two states where a single individual heavily influenced where the boundary would be. What was his name? He was a former congressman. He came to Washington when Montana was getting statehood with $2,000 worth of gold stowed away to show people in Congress ostensibly what the gold was there, as if they didn't know, because he wanted to make sure that his state, which would be Montana, got as much of the gold as Idaho. So it bullies its way into Idaho. It follows the Continental Divide pretty much, where as it narrows, except at a certain point, to give Idaho a little more arable land up at the top, it departs from the Continental Divide and goes due north and leaves, I can't remember the name of the valley, something with a K, in Idaho. The bottom of Idaho gives Idaho the Snake River, and the actual straight lines of Idaho are the result of why they located, what would that be there? It's not Utah, it's Nevada.
Wow.
But Idaho was, the bottom lines pertain to the boundaries of the neighboring states that were already in place.
Learn something new about Idaho every day.
Yeah.